Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Bimini cover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any boat owner looking to enhance their time on the water, providing crucial protection from the elements and adding a significant layer of comfort and usability to your vessel, ensuring that whether you're cruising, fishing, or simply relaxing, you're shielded from the harsh sun and unexpected drizzles, making it a worthwhile investment for extending your boating season and enjoying every moment. Out on the waves. Number 5. Better Boat Repair Tape. Don't let a small tear turn into a big problem. Our heavy-duty repair tape seals rips and holes instantly, preventing further damage. It's as simple as peel, stick, and done. Each roll provides 30 feet of durable, waterproof tape that you can cut to any size. It bonds securely to a wide variety of materials, including vinyl, canvas, and nylon, without needing special tools. Our marine-grade adhesive is designed to withstand harsh conditions like sun, salt, and storms. If it can hold up on a boat, it will provide a reliable repair for your awning, tent, or cover. This black tape blends perfectly with dark-colored fabrics for a discreet repair. It's flexible enough to conform to curves and seams without peeling or bunching. Choose from clear for any color, or white for lighter materials, to achieve the least visible repair. Each roll offers plenty of tape for numerous fixes. What we like. If you have a small rip or tear in your boat cover, awning, or tent, this heavy-duty repair tape is your go-to solution. Its marine-grade adhesive is designed to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring a long-lasting seal. Choose this if you need a quick, durable fix that blends in for a clean finish. What people say. The cover is made of heavy-duty marine-grade polyester fabric, which is durable and water-resistant. It features a breathable design that prevents mildew and odor buildup. The cover is easy to install and remove, with adjustable straps for a secure fit. Number 4. Better Boat Cover Support Pole. Tired of water pooling on your boat cover? This support pole creates a peaked center to effectively shed rain and dew. Keep your cover taut and protected from unnecessary stress. It comes with 2 versatile top options to fit any cover. Use the snap top for covers with existing snap fittings, or the mushroom top for a secure, widespread fit on covers without snaps. Easily adjust the height to your exact needs. Simply twist to loosen, extend between 23.5 and 56 inches, and twist again to lock it securely in place. Constructed from corrosion-resistant, marine-grade aluminum, it's built to withstand harsh marine environments. The rubber base ensures a secure grip without scratching your boat's floor. Extend the life of your boat cover with this essential accessory. It prevents pooling, stretching, and UV damage, safeguarding your investment for years to come. Perfect for pontoon, john boats, and more. Consider using a second pole for larger boats to create a wider, more even peak for optimal coverage. What we like. For those who want to protect their boat cover investment, this adjustable support pole is essential. It prevents water pooling and stretching, extending the life of your cover. If you're looking for a way to keep your cover taut and protected from the elements, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is very adjustable with a good wide base, so it doesn't tip over when putting the tarp over. It seems to be a good sturdy item. Works as expected. Easy to adjust and a wide range of adjustability. Very sturdy aluminum pole compared to other plastic poles we purchased. The plastic base and pole cap are correctly sized to do the job. Number 3. Intex Bimini Top Sun Shade Canopy Cover. This boat shade accessory features a strong and durable aluminum frame. It's built to last, providing reliable sun protection for your adventures on the water. Setting up your shade is a breeze with adjustable straps. You can easily customize the fit for quick and convenient installation. Enjoy your time outdoors with confidence. It offers UPF 50+ UV protection, shielding you from harmful sun rays for ultimate peace of mind. With an approximate size of 5 feet 3 inches long, 4 feet 1 inch wide, and 4 feet 1 inch tall, it provides ample coverage. You'll have plenty of space to relax comfortably under the shade. Designed specifically for 3- and 4-person Intex boats. It's the ideal accessory for your Mariner, Seahawk, Excursion, and Challenger models. What we like. If you own a compatible Intex boat model and need sun protection, this Bimini top is a straightforward option. It offers UPF 50+ UV protection and features an aluminum frame for durability. Consider this if you're looking for a simple, integrated shade solution for your specific boat. What people say. The cover is well made and fits perfectly. It provides excellent sun protection and keeps the boat dry. The material is durable and has held up well in various weather conditions. Number 2. SereneLife Waterproof Boat Bimini Top SLBT 4GR 798. Shield your boat with our extra-thick, marine-grade canvas. It's waterproof and UV-resistant, offering maximum protection against the elements. Built with a lightweight yet strong double-walled aluminum frame, this cover is designed to withstand strong winds at sea. It provides maximum strength and durability. Enjoy enhanced stability with 2 rear support poles and front straps. This ensures a secure fit and allows for quick, easy folding. When not in use, simply roll it up into the included zippered storage boot. This keeps it tidy, protected, and prevents it from blowing away. Get everything you need for a hassle-free setup. The complete set includes all necessary parts and hardware for easy installation. This cover is ideal for a variety of boat types, including John boats, base boats, and fiberglass boats. It offers reliable shade and protection. What we like. For boaters seeking robust protection from sun and rain, this Bimini top is a strong contender. Its extra thick, waterproof, and UV-resistant fabric, combined with a sturdy double-walled aluminum frame, offers superior durability. If you need a comprehensive package with rear support poles and a storage boot for easy setup and storage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cover is made of durable material that has held up well against sun and rain. It fits snugly over the Bimini frame and provides excellent shade. The design allows for easy installation and removal, which is very convenient. Number 1. Naviskin 13 size Bimini top cover. Introducing the Naviskin Bimini top, designed to enhance your boating experience. It offers versatile installation and a wide range of options to perfectly match your needs. Find the ideal fit for your boat with 13 available sizes and 10 stylish color options. We ensure a seamless match for any vessel, big or small. Crafted from premium 600D solution-dyed polyester canvas, it provides exceptional protection from the sun. The robust 1-inch aluminum frame ensures lasting durability and stability. Everything you need is included for a straightforward setup. It comes with a storage boot, mounting hardware, and quick-release mounts for your convenience. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process with our user-friendly design. You can be confident in its superior performance and durability for years to come. What we like. If you're looking for a Bimini top that offers a perfect fit and personalized style for your boat, this is the one. With 13 sizes and 10 color options, plus versatile installation methods, it caters to a wide range of needs. Choose this if you prioritize a premium, durable marine-grade canvas and a complete, hassle-free installation package. What people say. The cover is made of heavy-duty material that feels durable and well-stitched. It fits perfectly on the boat and provides excellent shade coverage. The design allows for easy installation and removal, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.